Hey folks, this is Basant here, and today's video I'm going to talk about Magicfit. This is the AI platform that lets you create or turn any image or the product links into the ads, including the video ads. All you have to just give the link or the product image, and this AI is then turn them into the static image ads or the video ads for you. For example, I have turned this vitamin C serum product into the video ad like this. You can see right now here. So let me open up this video and show you here.
Most guys just ignore their skin until it looks like sandpaper. I was doing that, not gonna lie, it was bad. I finally grabbed this vitamin C bottle to fix.
See, in opening the video you can see the product is actually felt like shot with this person here. So that kind of the video ads you can create here. And not only that, I have even created this another shot for me. For example, if I go to library, this is the another shot I have created.
This is a total game changer. I've been using this Dermatouch Vitamin C Serum every morning. It's packed with active ingredients that really brighten up dull skin and keep it looking fresh all day long. You guys need to try this.
See, even in this video it felt like the product is actually with the person here, but this is all generated with the AI. So the same thing you can do with the Magicfit here. And in this video I'm going to give you detailed walkthrough and the features demo how you can generate these kind of the amazing video ads for your product. Without wasting any more time, let me get started. Right now Magicfit is available on the app starting from the $89, and you can read yourself. Generate static ad, videos, social media posts from any product image or the URL. You don't need any designing skills or the professional graphic designer at all. You can create the UGC style videos, you can create the professional edited kind of the videos or the static image ads. This is the best tool even if you don't have any designing skills. And if you are an e-commerce owner, then this is the tool I think you definitely should get it here, because with this tool you can turn your normal image of the product into the professional graphic designer kind of the images and the video ads. We have the multiple tier plans available, and every tier plan can give you the extra limits of the credits. For example, this first tier plan is starting from the $89, but here we have only the 250 credits. But if we go to the tier 3 or the 4 plan, we have the 1300 or the 2900 credits. These credits will be the used or for burned for the generating the images and the video ads for you. We have the integrations of the Kling 2.6 turbo, we have the Veo 3.1 and the Nano Banana Pro. For these credits will be the used for generating the images and then turn those images into videos. So now once you got the lifetime deal, by the way I have given the link in the description and the comment section along with the bonuses that you can check out. So once you got the link, this is the dashboard you are going to land in here. And first of all, if you don't have any images for your product, you can just upload any normal without background or the some steady looking of the shot for your product and upload it here, and then after that you can turn them into the professional kind of the images of your product. Okay, for example, I want to create or turn this image. For example, this is the image of the vitamin C serum into the video ads like this. I have showed you while starting off the video. So how I am going to do that? Simply I need to get the link or the upload this image into the this platform. So I'm going to use this template. Right now you can see we have this so many amazing video ad or the static ad templates available. With a single click I can clone or create similar kind of the ad for my product. Simply with the single click I have to click here on the clone, and now I am going to clone this ad for me. So we have the multiple formats available: product showcase, user testimonial, or the multi short story. I'm going to use this one here, or let's go with this the user testimonial here. Now after that you can see here it is asking me my product link or the product image. So I'm going to upload the product here. So simply go to the manual section, upload the product. So let me upload the product image here. This is the my product image. Okay, and now it will be uploaded. It will ask me to give the name of this product, so I'm going to name it like the vitamin C serum. Okay, simply continue, and now this will be the uploaded. Now it will asking me to select the creator settings. Like I want to select the creator in the this user testimonial will be the male here. Then the creator style will be the authentic reviewer. We have the extra options as well. Then the setting I will make it like the coffee shop. Okay, then if I have the any other additional guidelines, I can just add them here. Now click here on the generate for free. Now it will start generating the video for me, and okay, I don't want to enable the notification, you can see it will start generating the video for me, and it can take few minutes depending on the video qualities here. Okay, so I have to just wait for few time until this video ad is generating. So while this is generating, let me give you the walkthrough of the other features. So this is the main section where you can start creating the ads or the images for you, and then after that you have to just describe the angle or the camera movement for that product, and it can generate for you. Then you can turn that image into the video, you can even extend the video, you can replace the product from any video, and there's also the professional ad maker available. There you can just clone the any winning ad for your product as well. Okay, then we have this AI agent section available for the image generation, for the image to video ad, for the product replacement. There are so many AI agents available in this section available. My favorite one is this, that is the templates. In this templates we have this so many amazing scenarios available. Like I want to just upload the product and turn them into large cityscape products here. So I will go to this section here, and suppose this is the any product here. Let me give you the example now. So this is the your product image, and now this is how it will be sold after just creating this AI agent. Amazing here. So that's how you can use any of the AI agent or the template section here. Okay, now let me go to this product section. This is the section where you can see all of your uploaded products. This is the library. This will show you all of the ads you have created. So right now you can see my ad is still generating, so no worries, because I have already created some of the video ads. So let me open up any of them and show you out. So I have returned this image into the two ad variants. First one we have this user testimonial, and second one this is kind of the influencer testimonial here. So I have showed you both of the videos while starting the videos and showed you how those look like. Okay, and given you the walkthrough or the step-by-step tutorial how you can just clone any of these amazing video ads with this single click. So this is all the stuff that lets you Magicfit do yourself. You don't need any professional graphic designer at all. So if you want to check it out, lifetime deal of this amazing platform, right now it is available on the app store starting from the just $89. So I think you should not miss it out. And even if I want to create the static image, for example, I want to turn this normal image into the professional graphic designer. So let me also do that. So if I go and scroll down till the end, you can see some of the static image ads. For example, this is the static image ad that turned this without background perfume bottle into this graphic designer. So simply go to the clone section, and now I am cloning this one. After that I have to replace the image. So I'm going to replace this image with my own upload here. Okay, let me see where is my upload. No worries, I can upload the image again, upload here, and you can see this will be the start showing up here, and this is replaced. Now I am using the Nano Banana model, but I can also use the Nano Banana Pro here. You can see this section available. Then this is the your format. I want to go with the landscape one. Okay, then after that you can give this some additional guidelines here. I don't want to give any guideline, just generate the image for me, and now you can see it will start generating out. So again it can take some time, so we have to wait till the end, but once it is done you will get the professional image for your product. Okay, so this is how all the features works out in the Magicfit. And there's also a graphic designer section available. If you want to create a scroll stopping graphics without a designer, there are the detail section available. You can just select any of the design, upload your product, and you will get the similar kind of the feature for you. So that's all for today's video. I want to talk about in this video about the Magicfit. If you want to check it out, this amazing platform, the real link is given in the description and the comments. That's all. Bye bye, take care. I will see you in the next one.